Hi, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for how to do SEO dynamic website. So how many pages creating for dynamic website? So dynamic is not only for e-commerce. It is a service-based website. They can providing for service in number of locations, not only one state or one country. They depend on countries, depend on state. We can advertise your business different locations. So I'm searching for one of the websites called saishankastrology.com. In this website, they are providing for services will be in number of countries. What are the services? First of all, you can display here. Black mark removal, psychic reader, astral and horoscope reader, black mark removal, protection, court cases, drugs. There will be different options will be here. In this particular website, how to advertise by the dynamic website. First of all, in this purpose, you can create by the admin panel. Admin, what are the service you can add by here? One by one service. Why? Because n number of service that is only for static website is not suitable. They definitely will be usable for the dynamic website. In this dynamic website, first of all, designed by developers, which page you can post your blogs. What we are posting in a blogs option, based on the country, we can post your content. Which area will be promoting and everything, this complete will be here. First of all, we can select your particular keyword. So in this keyword, black mark removal and bad luck removal will be Michigan. So here, it will be done and it will be done. So here, first of all, select your Google. First of all, how people will be searching for this keyword. People, those keyword searching or not, first of all, is the important news. Those keyword people will be searching or not. In this map, there will be people will be searching will be here. In this, there are number of websites are there. In this, my website will be top position purpose. First of all, we can do option name is called SEO on page. How to do SEO on page? Here already implement by the, what is the title? This is a title will be creating for the URL structure purpose. Any people will be search this one. There is the using for proper URL structure. Next will be your description part. What is the Washington specialist in this? Open this content. Paste here. Title: Washington specialist in Michigan, Vedic Astro service in Michigan. Is Astra providing for this kind of service? Description: Sashi Astra is the most famous Washington specialist in Michigan, offers best Vedic online Astra services are Vedic Astra services. Offline Astra services. This will be here. When writing this option, its title will be divided by the pipe symbol. After that, you can add your image. Image, you can design yourself by using Canva. So Canva will be suitable by the image. You can design by using option name is Canva. Which is size? We can selecting for Twitter post size or YouTube thumbnail size. Which is your suitable? We can use by the particular option. We can go to the social media post and number of options are there. You can selecting for Twitter post option or YouTube thumbnail option. Both we can select by the here in this. Now click for submit option. After submit, we can go to refresh. They will be visible by the here in this. Here, what are the major important option in a dynamic website? First of all, we can add your proper title or description. Title is done, description done, keyword done. Title will be 12th line, description will be 14th line, 15th will be keyword. Next one, H1 tag. Same name we can using H1 tag. The line of 252. After that, alt is equal to. See, the image The specific name is called Versican Specialist in Michigan. Proper name is done. Next one, canonical URL. Same URL we can use. Canonical URL is nothing but the content belongs to for this particular URL, the owner of this particular content. So here, done. Everything is clear. Title, description, keyword, alt tag, header tag, canonical URL. This is compulsory important. If anything, anchor text, we can adding for relevant URL will be adding to your particular website. They will be show for other services. So Washington specification, Michigan. If any other service they will looking for, click for all services. They go to your particular services page. This is nothing but we can use name is called anchor test. In a hyperlink, the specific name will be using called anchor test option. So that will be used for here is the option. So that is your particular URL thing. Now here, same like I adding for one more option. Once is done, the immediate option will be called Google Search Console. That is the first important. What is the page you can creating here? Click this option and click this. Request to index. It will take less than 1 minute to less than 2 minutes of time based on your indexing your particular option. So those URL will be indexing will be started and update your option. So you have to wait for the certain seconds. Is that they will be following this method. Index will be going on. Done. Next will be text live URL option. So it will go into indexing procedure. Any dynamic website, this admin panel will be here. Follow this create admin panel and share it particular users and getting for more customers on a particular business purpose. These option will be compulsory important. Every user creating for admin panel and engage your audience for this particular indexing. So admin will be very useful. Add the content and number of pages. So that is called any dynamic website or dynamic pages. Create the admin panel, post your content, engage different places, and increase your audience particular locations. So those steps you can follow. And what are the keywords are most important? That all keywords create the blog option and engage the audience particular website option. Location wise, state wise, area wise, create blog by using for admin post option. If any further question in dynamic website how to do SEO, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel.